Hi, Kaveri. Thank you for your precious time, and I'm happy to hear everything about IBM.
Hi, Kaveri. Thank you so much for spending your time on sharing your thoughts and ideas with us. Your introduction about IBM's hybrid cloud communication will be of great benefit to me.
Hi, Kaveri. Thanks so much for sharing about IBM. This is a great opportunity for me to know more about this company and you. Hope to hear from you again soon.
Hi, Kaveri. Thank you for joining us. I'm really interested in hybrid cloud communication, and I will learn a lot from your experience, perspective, and your wonderful speech. Thank you.
Hi, Kaveri. Thank you for your speech. I believe that I will learn more about hybrid cloud communication and learn more about the IBM. Thank you again for spending time with us.